This morning, we visited the house of our suspect, and we were able to recover from him one smartphone. That is the first one here. Then we proceeded to his house, and we recovered some other 7 smartphones, which are displayed as well, and then 2 other phones. Also in the same house, we were able to recover 2 hard drives that we believe have got enough information. In his phone that he had at hand, there were pictures of ladies, photos, and some videos that he had recorded. We also recovered 2 USB and memory card. We as well recovered 9 ID cards, 6 for men and 3 for ladies. We also recovered 24 Airtel SIM cards and their holders, which we believe he has used the IDs to register them. And these are the ones he has been using in the commission of crimes. We as well recovered industrial gloves, which we believe he was using while dismembering his victims. We appreciate that we also recovered a rope that resembles the ones that was used to tie up the sacks. We have nylon bags, 12 of them, which as well resemble the nylon bags that were recovered with bodies that were dismembered inside the dam. We have a lady's purse, which we suspect belongs to one of his victims, a reflector jacket. We have a laptop that was also recovered. We have a machete that in the course of investigation, he confesses to have been using to dismember. We have 2 underwears which we used to the victims. There are also 2 title deeds that are in his name, and some notebooks that he has records that we believe will be very important in the course of our investigation. He also had some Kenyan money with him and 5 sticks of suspect. We have our suspect with us still going on. Thank you, sir. I had forgotten the cell tapes, 4 of them. Those who were corrected from the dam, there are some elements of these cell tapes which he believes sometimes could have been used to tie up the dismembered parts of the body and as well to mask the mouths so that the victims do not make noise. Thank you.